हेलो बच्चों, आज हम सीसैट 2013 के कॉम्प्रहेंशन सॉल्व करेंगे। तो हमारा फर्स्ट पैसेज है। विदाउट वेस्टिंग टाइम वी विल रीड द पैसेज फर्स्ट है। इकोलॉजिकल रिसर्च ओवर द लास्ट क्वार्टर ऑफ द सेंचुरी हैज़ एस्टेब्लिश्ड the deleterious effects of habitat fragmentation due to mining, highways and such other intrusions on forest. As I said, underline the first 2 to 3 lines of the passage. When a large block of forest gets fragmented into smaller bits, the edges of all these bits come into contact with human activities, resulting in the degradation of the entire forest. Continuity of forested landscapes and corridors get disrupted, affecting several extinction-prone species of wildlife. Habitat fragmentation is therefore considered as the most serious threat to biodiversity conservation. Ad hoc grants of forest lands to mining companies coupled with rampant illegal mining is aggravating this threat. Again, underline last 2 to 3 lines of the passage. This is the conclusion of the passage. So now we will go to the question. So first question is, what is the central focus of this passage? So what is the central focus of this passage? We will read the options. Illegal mining in forest. This is given in the passage, but this cannot be the central focus of the passage. So we will eliminate this option. Extinction of wildlife. Again, this is given in the passage, but this cannot be this cannot be the central focus of the passage. Conservation of nature. This is also given in the passage, but this is not the central focus of the passage. Whenever क्वेश्चन आस्क अबाउट द सेंट्रल फोकस, तो क्या करना है कि जो भी सब्जेक्ट है कि सेंट्रल फोकस मतलब सेंट्रल थीम, जिस भी सेंट्रल फोकस मीन्स नथिंग बट द सब्जेक्ट विच इज़ डिस्कस्ड इन द पैसेज. सो focus on that subject, which will be the subject that will be your central focus of the passage. So our central focus of this passage is disruption of habitat. The passage is talking more about the disruption of habitat. See, the passage is talking about the deleterious effects of habitat fragmentation due to mining, highways and such other intrusions on forest. Again, passage is talking about gets fragmented into smaller bits. Again, passage is talking about the degradation of entire forest. Again, passage is talking about the disrupted affecting several extinction prone species of wildlife. Again, passage is talking about habitat fragmentation. And so our passage is more focusing on disruption of habitat. So this will be the correct answer for this question. Now second question, what is the purpose of maintaining the continuity of forested landscape and corridors? So this is directly given in the passage. Continuity of forested landscape and corridors get disrupted, affecting several extinction prone species of wildlife. Habitat fragmentation is therefore considered as the most serious threat to the biodiversity conservation. Ad hoc grants of forest lands to mining companies coupled with the rampant illegal mining is aggravating this threat. That means it is for the biodiversity conservation. So continuity of forested landscapes and corridors required for the conservation of biodiversity or the preservation of biodiversity. So after eliminating all the options, management of mineral resources, this is not given in the passage at all, so we will eliminate this option. Grant of forest lands for human activities, again this is not given in the passage, so we will eliminate option second and third from the given options, and we will get the first only is the correct answer for this question. I hope so all of you understood well. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. So we will solve next passage in the next lecture. So stay tuned with me and do not take burden, learn with fun. Enjoy learning. Thanks for watching.